Hello guys, welcome to NoorulRiazi and this is your mathematics teacher NOOR UDDIN QURESHI. And today we will learn about multiples, common multiples and least common multiples which are also called LCM. So let's start with our first topic which is multiple. So what is a multiple? According to its definition, a multiple is the result of multiplying a number by an integer, not a fraction. That means if a number is multiplied by a complete number, then it is called its multiple. For example, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. That means you can multiply any complete number with 3, then you will get the multiple of 3. Similarly, if we talk about the multiples of 4, these are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and so on. So now if we talk about what are the common multiples, so the multiples which are common for two or more numbers. For example, for 3 and 4 we have 12 in common and 24 in common, and similarly when this series goes on we will have more common numbers among both the multiples. So the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. Now if we talk about least common multiple, so the least of all the common multiples is called least common multiples, also known as LCM. So here the least common multiple for 3 and 4 is 12 because 12 is the smallest common multiple for 3 and 4. But there is a proper method to determine the least common multiple. So what is the method? So the least common multiple can be determined by dividing all the numbers with the prime factors that can divide even one of the numbers. What does it mean? We will understand through our example. So for our first example is 24 and 36. So we have to determine the LCM for 24 and 36. So according to our instruction, we have to keep dividing both the numbers with the prime factors that can divide even one of these. So 24 and 36, so starting from the least prime number, that is 2. So let's check if 24 and 36 are both divisible by 2. So yes, so dividing both by 2, we will get 12 and 18. Now still both are divisible by 2. So dividing by 2, we will get 6 and 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, but 6 is still divisible by 2. So according to the definition, we have to keep dividing the numbers even if one of them is still divisible. So again dividing by 2, so we will get 3 and 9. Now both of these numbers are not divisible by 2, so we will move towards the next prime number, which is 3. Are both divisible by 3? Yes. So dividing by 3, we will get 1 and 3. Now the 3 has become 1, but still we have a 3. So we can still divide it by 3 again. So dividing by 3, we get 1 and 1. Now we cannot divide them further. So all we have to do is to multiply all of these numbers with each other. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3, we will get 72. So 72 is the least common multiple for 24 and 36. Now let's try another example, and this time we will be determining the LCM for three numbers that are 24, 36 and 54. Now again using the same instruction, so 24, 36, 54, we have to check if these are divisible by 2 or not, because 2 is the least prime number. So dividing by 2, we will get 12, 18 and 27. Now still 12 and 18 are divisible by 2. So again divide by 2, we will get 6, 9, 27. Now 9 and 27 are not divisible by 2, but still 6 is divisible by 2. So we will divide them again by 2. So dividing by 2, we will get 3, 9, 27. Now 3, 9 and 27, none of these numbers is divisible by 2. So now we will move towards our next prime number, which is 3. So all these three numbers are divisible by 3. So dividing them by 3, we will get 1, 3 and 9. Still two of them are divisible by 3. So again divide by 3, we will get 1, 1 and 3. Now again still there is a 3. So we will again divide by 3. So we will have 1, 1, 1. Now all these numbers have become 1. So now these numbers are not further divisible by any of the number. So now we have to multiply all of these numbers with each other. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So that is cube of 6, which will be equal to 260. So this was the method by which you can determine the LCM of any two or more numbers. I hope you have got the basic knowledge for multiples, common multiples and least common multiples through this video. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share it as much as possible. And if you like the concept of NoorulRiazi, then do subscribe our channel and follow our Instagram page with the same handle. So see you guys in the next video.